Hello and welcome to this 10-minute meditation session designed to help you find mental clarity and focus. If you're feeling overwhelmed by thoughts, distracted, or just need a moment to clear your mind, you've come to the right place. Let's take a few minutes together to reset and center our thoughts so you can move forward with calm and clarity. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and let's begin. We're going to start by focusing on our breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a count of 4. Now gently release the breath through your mouth, slowly, letting all the tension go. Breathe in for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. And slowly exhale for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slowly exhale for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let your breath be the anchor, gently pulling you into the present moment. Each breath brings you more focus and peace. Now I want you to picture your mind as a calm, clear lake. Visualize a still, peaceful lake on a quiet day. The water is smooth, without any ripples. As thoughts or distractions enter your mind, see them as small pebbles gently dropping into the water, creating ripples. But notice how, with every deep breath you take, the ripples settle and the water becomes smooth again. With each breath, your mind clears just like the surface of the lake. Imagine all the thoughts floating away, as if they dissolve into the stillness of the water. There is no need to chase or judge them. Just observe them drift away. Feel the calmness, the clarity as your mind becomes as peaceful as the lake. As you sit here in this calm space, repeat these affirmations silently in your mind or out loud, whichever feels right for you. I am focused. I am calm. I release distractions. I am clear in my thoughts. With every breath, Repeat these affirmations to yourself. Feel the truth of these words grounding you in the present. I am focused. I am calm. I release distractions. I am clear in my thoughts. I am focused. I am calm. I release distractions. I am clear in my thoughts. Now slowly bring your attention back to your breath, feeling each inhale and exhale deeply in your body. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing yourself back to the space around you. As you open your eyes, take a moment to appreciate this clarity you've cultivated. Remember, this feeling of calm focus is always within you, and you can return to it whenever you need. Take this sense of peace with you as you go forward in your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself.